Hello and welcome to my new technical tricks. In this video I am going to show you how to install macOS High Sierra on VMware. First of all, you have to download the needed file from the link description below. As you can see, I have downloaded all the file on my computer. So once you have downloaded all the file, then install VMware workstation on your computer. So I have already installed it on my computer. It's very easy installing everything. You have to extract the macOS High Sierra and VMware Unlocker area. I have to extract the VMware Unlocker. So once it extracted, open, and here you can install the van.install.cmd to get permission install macOS. Right click and run as administrator. So yeah, now open the VMware Workstation Pro. Click on create a new virtual machine. When open it, let as by default and click next. Here I will install the operating system later. Click next, and here you have to select macOS, Apple macOS, and select macOS 10.13. Click next. Here the name, type the name of virtual machine and the location where you want to save the file. It means the macOS file. Click OK, click next. Here you can specify the desktop. Select the first one is to virtual, and click finish. It's time to edit the virtual machine. Click on edit virtual machine settings and assign the memory size to 4 GB. 4 GB is very good for macOS. Select to predecessor and just do it also. So now you have to remove the hard disk and click add. The first one, click next, and SATA, click next, and here you have to select use an existing hard disk or virtual disk. Click next. So you have to file the VMware workstation. You have to find the macOS High Sierra 10.13 that you have nearly downloaded from the link description below, and click open and click finish. Once everything is done, then click OK. When you finish configuration, now you need to edit the virtual machine and insert. You have to insert some comments. Go to the files and now click open edit with Notepad. You can edit with Notepad of Windows as well. And here you have to add smc.version space equal quotation, double quotation, and now plus 0. Save your file, and once you have completed the steps above, then you're able to install. Click on the power on. On the first screen you will see the welcome page, choose your country, then click next or click continue. Now choose a keyboard layout and hit continue. Here select don't transfer any information now and press continue. On this page, if you have Apple ID, then sign in. If you don't have, then click don't sign in. Click continue and click yes, skip. Okay, read the terms and condition fully. Click agree and click agree. Personalize your macOS. So let's personalize our computer by filling out the required details. Then type your username and password and hit okay, continue. So it takes time, about 5 to 10 minutes, maybe sometimes it takes 15 minutes, kilometer. After some minutes, we'll show you the macOS High Sierra 1013 on the desktop. As you can see, we have installed the macOS High Sierra 1013 on the VMware workstation Pro. So I hope you can install this macOS Sierra on the VMware workstation Pro. So as you can see, the macOS High Sierra version, the processor and memory, everything is done. So in the next video, I will show you about installing VMware tools on macOS High Sierra 1013. And for the next tutorial, take care and goodbye.